What is bowel cancer? Bowel cancer is also known as colorectal cancer. It is a type of cancer that begins in the large intestine, colon, or rectum. It often starts as small, non-cancerous growths called polyps, which can develop into cancer over time. Bowel cancer causes. The exact cause of bowel cancer is not clear, but certain factors increase the risk of developing it. These are as follows. Age. Most cases occur in people over 50. Family history. A family history of bowel cancer or inherited conditions like Lynch syndrome. Lifestyle factors. A diet high in red and processed meats, low fiber diet, excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, and physical inactivity. Medical conditions. Inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Genetic mutations. Specific genetic mutations can increase the risk of developing bowel cancer. Bowel cancer symptoms. The symptoms of bowel cancer are not noticeable in the early stages, making regular screening important. Common symptoms include persistent changes in the bowel habits, diarrhea or constipation, blood in stool or rectal bleeding, abdominal pain or cramping, unexplained weight loss, fatigue or weakness, a feeling that the bowel does not empty completely after a bowel movement. Bowel cancer diagnosis. To diagnose bowel cancer, your doctor will review your medical history, assess your symptoms and family history, and perform a physical examination. Besides, your doctor may recommend you fecal occult blood test (FOBT) or fecal immunochemical test (FIT). This detects blood in stool. Colonoscopy. Colonoscopy visualizes the colon and removes polyps if found. Imaging tests. CT colonography, virtual colonoscopy, MRI or CT scans to assess the spread of bowel cancer. Biopsy. In biopsy, tissue samples are examined under a microscope. Bowel cancer treatment. The treatment of bowel cancer depends on the cancer's stage and may include surgery, removal of the affected part of the bowel and nearby lymph nodes. Chemotherapy. In chemotherapy, drugs are used to kill cancer cells or stop their growth. Radiotherapy. In radiotherapy, radiations are used to destroy cancer cells, often for rectal cancer. Targeted therapy. Drugs like monoclonal antibodies that target specific cancer cell mechanisms. Immunotherapy. Immunotherapy helps the immune system attack cancer cells. Bowel cancer prevention. To prevent bowel cancer, you should follow these steps. 1. Diet and lifestyle changes. Eat a high fiber, low fat diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit red and processed meats. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Maintain a healthy weight and exercise regularly. Number 2. Screening. Early detection of bowel cancer greatly improves outcomes, so regular checkups are crucial. Those over 50 or with a family history should go for regular screening of bowel cancer. Besides, removal of polyps during colonoscopy also reduces the risk of bowel cancer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.